What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders, and doing some end of day scans right now on NIO. And today is December the 10th, and there's still a few minutes left in the trading day. But I wanted to go over this chart with everybody. We did highlight this in our chat room earlier. That's why I sent there some lines right now on the screen, and I'm actually just going to remove them just so it's a little bit easier to see. So there right now it's a 5 minute chart over the last few days, and we had a really big volatile last couple of days. Had a drop off right at the open, going down a good amount, then opening and gapping down. Then today, making a run on upwards, and that run upwards was pretty nice. But we hit some resistance at roughly 45.50. It did momentarily break above that price, but overall, within this time frame, it stayed below that 45.50. But it has been making higher lows, which is really interesting because it's going to start setting up a nice pattern here. So we're just going to connect some of these data points here. And as you can see with these higher lows, we're starting to go into a ascending triangle. And the range is getting pretty tight. You can see that it was tested down here, tested resistance, tested the trend line, bounce, tested the trend line, bounce, tested the trend line, going back up to resistance, and now testing the trend line once again. And now, as this price range gets tighter and tighter within this pattern, we're going to be looking for a move. And the big sign of that move is going to be volume. So volume is going to be key. And right now, yes, we do have. All right, so that was the bell actually from market hours. Like I said, this was being filmed during market hours. But anyways, let's still keep going to the chart. So we're going to be looking for one of these areas to break with volume. And for me, looking at this, an ascending triangle is a continuation pattern, meaning it's going to be continuing the overall trend within this time frame. And a good way to figure out the trend is looking at the SMAs, the simple moving averages. So we have the 200 SMA right here and the 50 SMA right here. So let's start with the 200. This one's been pretty flat, but you can see it's starting to curl up, and the price has been remaining above that. And as long as the price remains above that, this is going to have more of an incline. Same with the 50 SMA. This is in pretty obvious incline bullish fashion, and the price has been staying above that as well. So me looking at this, I'm saying this is going to be on watch for a bullish breakout. But I'd like to see it confirmed. The way we're going to see it confirmed is we're going to see the price action break the 45.50 level with an increased amount of volume behind it, which is going to be showing you there's a lot of bullish momentum and strength behind it. And that this is a real breakout. So 45.50 is one area to watch, but for me, however, I'm going to be waiting for the new high. So this last time got stopped out at 45.68. I'm just going to say 45.70 for a nice easy number. So when you see 45.70 break with an increased amount of volume, for me, that is confirmation to take this as a bullish long trade, taking the breakout itself. And you could trade this as an intraday day trade, or maybe if you want to swing it. But right now we are looking at the 5 minutes, so this is more geared towards a day trade because we're only looking at a couple days worth of data and a 5 minute candle, so it wouldn't really make sense to look at it as an investment in, opportunity within a just one intraday chart. So once again, just to sum this up, we're going to be watching for 45.70 to break with an increased amount of volume, looking for the breakout there and taking it long. Now, if you're looking for areas of profit taking, let's pull out the chart a little bit more. And we can see that up here, roughly around, we'll just call it 47 for an easy number. 47 had some resistance, so 47 would be an excellent area to start taking profits. You could always take 25, maybe 30% or half of your position size off there, letting the rest of your shares continue for higher gains. All right, traders, well, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay profitable.